Hello student, in these sessions we are going to learn about the third lesson of our maths. That maths third lesson name is what? Subtraction. In second lesson we learn about the 4-digit number of addition. Like this we learn in additions 1 plus 1 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5, 4 plus 3 7, 7. Like this ones, tens, hundred, thousand means 4 digit we have learned. These both are called as the what? Add-on. And this answer is called as the sum. Like this also in subtraction happen. Let's see. Now look at, I wrote one example of subtractions. We have to do subtractions. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, how many remains? If you know, if you don't know, the directly you can do Scrabble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to cut how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remain answer 6. But 9 is called as what, and 3 is called as what, and 6 answer is called as what. Okay. This 9 is called as the minuend. And 9 minus 3 we are doing subtract, so that it's called as the subtrahend. The both are the answer is called as the difference. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to answer is what? Difference. Okay. See, on the basis of this minuend, subtrahend and difference, 4-digit subtractions without regrouping. Okay. Now let's learn. The first point is subtraction of 4-digit number without regrouping. Now let's write example. (3,245), 1,122. We have to do subtraction. First of all, we have to write properly in a place. Now first of all write the place. Ones, tens, hundred, and last one is thousands. Now let's solve this subtractions. This called as the what? Minuend. And this number is called as the subtrahend. We have to take out the difference between the both 4-digit number. Okay. Now let's do 5 minus 3. We know that 5 minus 2 is what? 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Now answer is what? 2,123. 2,123. Okay. Now let's see another example. 9,755 minus 6,532. Now we have to do minus. 9,755 ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Now backside we have to write second number. Now do minus. 5 minus 2, 3. If you know, directly you can write. Here is what? In 10 place 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many we have to do? Cut 3. 1, 2, 3. How many remains? 1, 2. Here is what? 7. In 100 place 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many we have to do? Efface from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remains 1, 2. 9 minus 6. In thousand place now we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many we have to do cut? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remain 1, 2, 3. Answer is what? 3223. Okay. This is a without regrouping. Now second point is subtraction of 4-digit number with regrouping. Okay. Means carry. Here I wrote example 8263, 3698. Okay, now let's do first ones, tens, hundred and thousands. Okay, in the subtraction, here is big number minus we can do small number. It's called as the without regrouping. But small number minus big number we have to take carry. Okay, like this we have to solve. Now let's solve. Look at here 7, here 8. In this from the 7 8 is going? No, because here is the small number and here is the big number. In subtraction, big number minus small number easily going is called as without regrouping. But here is a 7 is a small number and 8 is the biggest number. Now we have to take carry. From 6 we have to take 1 carry. Here take 1 and 7 we have to write back side. This one we taken from the 6. Now here become 6 minus 1. Here remain 5 because we take 1 from the 6. Okay. Now 17. This we have to do cut. Now 17 minus 8 is easily going because it's big number and small number. Now let's solve 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many we have to do cut? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Now let's in 10 place we have to do. Again here is a small number minus big number. Again we have to take carry. In front of 5 we have to write 1. Now it become 15. This 1 we taken from the 2. Now here remains is 1. Okay. Now 15 minus 9 is easily going because the big number minus the small number. Now let's solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many we have to do cut? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Now here again small number minus big number is not going. So that we have to write in front of this number 1. This 1 we taken from the 8. Now 8 minus 7, 8 minus 1 is become 7. Now 11 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many we have to do cut? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 7 minus 3 because big number minus small number is easily going. Now remaining is 4. Now answer is what? 4569. This is called as the regrouping or the carry of subtractions. Okay, now let's see another example. Now look at here. I wrote second example 7431 2658. Okay, now let's solve. First of all we have to write place ones, tens, hundred and last one is a thousand. 4-digit number. Now here is again small number minus big number. Now we have to take carry because 1 minus 8 is not going. Now we have to write this one first upside, then 1 we have to write in front of the 1. Now this one we taken from the 3. Now here become 2. Okay. Now 11 minus 8. This one we have to do cut because now 11 minus 8 we have to do ones place first solve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many we have to do efface from the 11? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 8 we have to do cut. Okay, remaining is 3. Now let's solve second one, tens place. Ones place, now tens place we have to solve. Again here is a small number minus big number. It's not going. Now we have to write in front of 2 1. This 1 we taken from the 4. Now here become 3. Now 12 minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many we have to do? Cut 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How many remain? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Answer is 7 here. Now 100 place solve. Again here small number minus big number. Now write in front of the 3 1. This 1 we taken from the 7. Now here becomes 6. Now 13 minus 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. How many we have to do cut? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Remaining 7. Now this is easy because here big number minus small number. 6 minus 2, we know that 4. Now answer is what? 4773. This is called as the with regrouping subtractions. I hope you have to understand this subtraction because in third standard also is this of the 3-digit number. Like this here in the 4th standard 4-digit number. Okay. Now we will stop here. I will give you homework of regrouping also and without regrouping. You have to solve in your notebook and also you have to write this whole. Okay.